I thought these zinnias were supposed to be a mix of color. They all look very similar. So next year I need to get more of a variety in color going. But these are gorgeous. I'm going to be excited for my cosmos to get blooms and see how that looks amongst the zinnias. My zinnias are blooming and they are just fabulous. Planted by seed. I am loving them. Look at that. This is the lime one, only it looks yellow. So I'm not sure if it's going to just stay yellow. It's supposed to be lime green. All right, let's see what we have. I'll show you my other zinnias. Okay, here are my other zinnias. My cosmos are not budding yet, and the leaves are different from these cosmos. These cosmos have skinny little leaves. So I guess it's a different variety, but I am not seeing buds yet. But my zinnias are doing beautifully. All planted by seed. I'm so happy I decided to plant extra zinnias. I got 2 rows, as you can see. And then right there is calendula. I'll get in a little closer and look at those. They are very pretty too. My sunflowers are getting higher than the fence, some of them. And I do have a bud, one bud right here. But yeah, so proud of my zinnias. Look at that, just gorgeous. We had really bad smoke here in northern Minnesota, so I couldn't even come out and enjoy them. I was like, oh my gosh, I hope the smoke clears up, which it did today. Look at that. These are my giant purple zinnias, and they have not flowered, as you can see, but they are getting the buds. And so I'm excited about that. Here are my pretty straw flowers. And I'm going to zoom in on one. There's a spider, the same color. See if you can see this. As a straw flower. I don't know, can you see it there? It's right. It's my finger. It's right there. Oops. It's yellow, just like the flower. Anyway, they're beautiful. Very beautiful. I like how they're make that crispy sound. Ooh, there's another spider. They're loaded with spiders. Ooh, gotta remember that if I pick them to bring them in. I'm a little concerned that I'm not going to have room to walk in here pretty soon with all these squash plants. Yeah. All right, well, I just wanted to show you my zinnias. I'll give you one more look, and then we'll call it a day. There they are. So beautiful. It's my butterfly bush. See you next time.